Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes, your go-to channel for the latest automotive news and reviews. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Toyota's most exciting releases, the 2025 Toyota Mark X30G. This legendary sedan is back, and it's better than ever, blending power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology into one incredible package. The 2025 Mark X30G makes a bold statement with its modern and aerodynamic styling. Toyota has refined its design language, featuring a larger front grille with a striking honeycomb pattern, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that hints at the power beneath. From the side, you can see the low-slung profile, giving it a coupe-like silhouette while maintaining its executive sedan appeal. The 19-inch alloy wheels, blacked-out B-pillars, and chrome accents further enhance its premium look. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that exudes sophistication. The premium leather seats, real wood trim, and customizable ambient lighting create a first-class experience. The spacious interior ensures both the driver and passengers enjoy maximum comfort, whether on city drives or long highway journeys. At the center of it all is a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced voice command system. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data with a futuristic touch. Under the hood, the Mark X30G packs a 3.5L V6 engine producing 330 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless power delivery, while the rear-wheel drive setup provides a thrilling and responsive driving experience. Toyota has fine-tuned the suspension for better handling and ride comfort, making this sedan not just powerful but also a joy to drive. Toyota never compromises on safety. The Mark X30G is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring. These features ensure that you drive with confidence, no matter the road conditions. The 2025 Toyota Mark X30G is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or someone who values comfort and elegance, this sedan is built to impress. What do you think of the all-new Mark X30G? Is this the ultimate sports sedan from Toyota? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews and updates. This is Smooth Auto Vibes, and we'll see you in the next one.